Good morning, people. Wake your ass up. Wash your ass if you haven't. It's time to change this out. New one is in there. This furniture should have been changed, but these people don't live here full time. They live here like a week out of the year, they said. But we're gonna clean this up. Who knows when the last time this thing was serviced? We're gonna clean this up before we change anything. This thing is filthy. Out here in beautiful Palm Springs. Let's go. Stay tuned. Not better. It's not perfect, but it's better than it was. Let's go. There you go, people. The blower is running because that test cycle when you turn the power back on. But Inducer desk, new Inducer draft motor installed. Close the pressure switch. Hot surface igniter lit up. Gas valve open. There you go. She's alive again. Just like new. Sweat the bears. Agent clean. Should have named the company Medicare, where we bring units back to life. Let's go. My blower turned off because it was doing a test cycle when you really turn the power back on. But once this gets hot enough, that sensor right there will make the blower go on heat or the low speed. But other than that, it's good to go. Igniter lit up, gas valve open. There you go. She's alive again. Just like new.